Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD for wireframes. First, open Adobe XD and select New File to begin. Choose from various artboard presets, like a web page at 1920 by 1080 pixels or a mobile screen. Next, utilize the rectangle, ellipse, and text tools from the left toolbar to sketch out your initial layout. Remember, wireframes focus on structure, so keep your designs simple and functional. Now, let's build common wireframe elements. Use the rectangle tool for buttons and input fields, perhaps making a button 150 pixels wide. The ellipse tool is great for avatars or icons. For dividers, grab the line tool. Apply a light gray fill and a 1-pixel stroke to distinguish elements without adding color. Group related items by selecting them and pressing Command or Control plus G, keeping your artboard tidy and easy to navigate. To bring your wireframes to life, switch to prototype mode. Select an object, like a button, and drag the blue arrow to its destination artboard. Choose a transition, such as slide left, and an easing option like ease out for a smoother feel. You can set the duration to 0.3 seconds for quick transitions. Test your flow by clicking the play icon in the top right corner, simulating how a user would navigate through your design. Finally, it's time to share your wireframes and gather valuable feedback. Click the share icon and select Design Review to generate a public or private link. You can enable commenting, allowing stakeholders to add notes directly onto specific areas of your design. This collaborative approach helps you quickly identify areas for improvement and iterate on your wireframes, ensuring your final product meets user needs and project goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.